Hey everyone, here we are in class 11 video. We're going to be talking again about some formulas, some volume formulas, and then we're going to be talking about some water facts and the weight of water. So the first thing I'm going to go over, and you should be familiar with everything I have here, some volume formulas for a rectangular tank, length times width times height, a cylindrical tank, pi r squared times height, and remember r squared is a number times itself, and volume of a cube. Side cubed, or side times side times side. Okay, you're also familiar with these conversions. To take cubic feet to cubic inches, we times it by 1728. To go cubic inches to cubic feet, we divide by 1728. Cubic yards to cubic feet times 27. Cubic feet to cubic yard, divide by 27. Okay? All of this we know. Now, we're moving up because we are smart plumbers and we know what we're doing. There's some other constant numbers here that you need to know. I know there's a lot of these, but you plumbers and pipe fitters are smart people, and there's things you need to know. So the first one here, cubic inches to imperial gallons, you would divide by 277. 277 cubic inches in an imperial gallon. So what I'm saying is here, you're going to figure out, you're going to use one of these formulas. You're going to figure, if you figure something out in cubic inches, and then you'll be asked to get it to gallons. Either imperial gallons or US gallons. Now, here's the deal, living in Canada, we need to know both things. Especially when you get into apprenticeship testing, if you see the word gallon, imperial gallon, right? If it's a US gallon question, which you guys work a lot in US gallons, you use that number there, okay? To take cubic feet to imperial gallons, we times by 6.24. Right, 6.24 imperial gallons in every cubic foot. So again, you're going to work one of your volume formulas, you're going to get something in cubic feet, and then you'll be asked to get it to gallons. So if we wanted to take it to US gallons, you would times it by 7.5. Now the metric's a little bit easier. Yay! Cubic centimeters to liters, we would divide by 1,000. So again, you're going to use one of your formulas, you figured out something in cubic centimeters, you're asked to get it to liters, easy enough, divide by 1,000. Cubic meters to liters, times it by 1,000. There's 1,000 liters in a cubic meter, okay? So again, of course, this sheet looks like this, is in your folders this week, okay? You'll be looking back at it to walk you through. We also need to know the weight of water. Okay, 1 US gallon weighs 8.33 pounds. 1 imperial gallons weighs 10 pounds. This is the one that you'll absolutely have to know. 1 cubic foot of water weighs 62.4 pounds. So again, you work out a volume formula, you're in cubic feet, right? We want to know what that water weighs, you times it by 62.4. 1 liter weighs 1 kilogram. That sounds easy? Right? So if you get it on a test, don't screw that one up. 1 liter weighs 1 kilogram. So if something weighs 100, I'm sorry, if something weighs 100 liters, it's 100, if something weighs 100 kilograms, it's 100 liters. There it is, I knew I'd have it. And 1 cubic meter weighs 1,000 kilograms. So again, you're working out something in meters. You want to know the weight of the water, you would times it by 1,000. All right? So, this week we're in a partial shutdown. I want to remind everyone you are expected to be here March 4th and March 5th. We are going to work in a math class there, but I do want you to get a jump start if you're feeling it. You're going to go into your Math for Pipe Trades course on SAM. You're going to watch this informative video, right? And the sheets are labeled there. Unit 47 says to be handed in. Unit 48 and 49, additional problems, is identified to be handed in, okay? If you don't have a printer to print these off, that's okay. Just take out a piece of paper, write down Unit 47, number 1, do all your work, circle the answer, take a picture of it, and email it to me. Now don't tell me that you don't know how to use your phone to take a picture and email, because I know you do, okay? So, this is what I want you to do. These are the sheets to be handed in. Unit 47 additional problems, Unit 48 and 49 additional problems. Work them out, take a picture, email, dduncan@hollandcollege.com. Remember, if you have any questions, you can always email me. And hang in there, guys. I hope to see you Thursday.